The Volvo S80 II from 2006 to 2016 uses an immobiliser system to prevent theft. This system requires the key fob to be present for the engine to start. The key fob must be inserted into a smart key slot located near the gear shift on the center console. This is part of the passive entry and passive start system, or PEPS, which allows convenient keyless operation. We'll explain how to handle key fob removal, especially if it gets stuck in the slot. To remove the key fob normally, ensure the car is in park. Turn off the engine. Deactivate all accessories. The system should automatically eject the key fob after a few seconds. If it doesn't eject, there are troubleshooting steps to try. If the key fob doesn't eject automatically after turning off the vehicle, try pressing the brake pedal. This action can sometimes trigger the release mechanism to eject the key fob from the slot. Additionally, ensure the car battery isn't low. A weak battery can prevent the solenoid from properly ejecting the key fob, as it requires sufficient power to operate the release mechanism. Many key fobs contain an emergency mechanical key. Use this key to manually unlock the slot if the electronic release fails. Be gentle. Forcing it can damage the solenoid mechanism. The key fob can get stuck in the immobiliser slot due to several common causes. One frequent issue is a corroded or failing solenoid in the key fob slot, which can prevent proper ejection. Another common cause is battery depletion in the key fob itself. When the battery runs low, the key fob may not communicate properly with the vehicle. Regularly replacing the key fob battery every 2 to 3 years can help prevent this problem and ensure reliable operation. To prevent key fob jams, regularly lubricate the key fob slot with a non-conductive lubricant designed for electronics. Another maintenance task is replacing the key fob battery yourself. Aftermarket lithium-ion replacements are readily available and easy to install. If you've tried the DIY steps and the key fob is still stuck, it's time to seek professional help from a mechanic or Volvo dealership. Professionals have specialized tools and software like Volvo's Vita to diagnose immobiliser faults. They can perform firmware resets, fix solenoid issues, or replace modules. Repairs usually cost between $250 and $600. The Volvo S80 II's key fob system, with its dedicated slot near the gear shifter, is becoming outdated compared to modern keyless entry systems. Modern Volvo models like the XC90 feature fully digital keys and smartphone apps for entry and start, with app-based entry adopted in 40% of new cars. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, with Volvo targeting 100% EV production by 2030, support for older internal combustion engine models like the S80 II may diminish, leading to parts scarcity. Regular maintenance, such as proactive battery replacement every 2 to 3 years, is essential to keep your S80 II immobiliser functional and avoid issues. Looking ahead, S80 II owners may need to migrate to Bluetooth-based alternatives with encrypted key fobs to combat hacking risks, as the system is expected to be phased out by 2035.